Hey y'all, continuing with my series, got my Marion makeup palette. I am going to be doing, it's kind of like a clown look, and I really don't know where it originated from, but I've seen it a bunch of times. So I'm gonna attempt to try it on my own. It's like I can never find what I need when I need it. When I don't need it, it's always there. Got my brush, and I'm actually gonna be using Q-tips because I don't know why I don't have any paintbrushes. But right now, we ball. Fuck it, we ball. So we can start with this bottom half, and we are going to use, I've seen everybody use white. I'm gonna use white as well. I just feel like I can do that. I'm not sure what the best way to do this is. Hopefully I can do this correctly the first time. And then we're gonna do just half. So right at my cheeks. And then on this side. I want to say it's kind of like a mask effect. Kind of looks like a mask. I'm gonna put a little bit under our nose. I feel like I should have did this with like a primer or something, but we already here. This makeup brush ain't working. I mean, this little brush ain't gonna work. I'm just gonna put some down there too. I wish I could take these out. I probably could. I just don't know how. No, matter of fact, I'm sure you can because it's supposed to be magnetic. I just don't know how to do it, and I don't want to mess it up. We're gonna stop there because I need to go ahead and add the lip part slash the mouth. So it's kind of like the Joker face a little bit, if you will, but not exactly. So we are going to use, I think I would look good with, I'm trying to see what color palette I want to use. What color am I feeling right now? And what color would show up the best? I think black, purple, and like a gray, black outline. This actually might be a lot easier if I had actual makeup, but I got my palette. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna take this part and extend it out like that, upwards. Okay, you look okay. I really need to lick my lips, but I can't because I got this on me. All right, so I got the black. I'm trying not to get this on me right now. I like this purple. No, I'm gonna put some black. I really need it. I'm about to go over to black again. Progress is being made. Do that just to kind of like blend it in or whatever. That's what the makeup girls do, so I'm gonna do it too. Okay, not looking bad. I do want to clean up this a little bit more, and this would be so much easier if I had like a black pen, then I can just like make it like that, make it a lot more sharper, I should say. That's the proper terminology for it. Or like eyeliner. Dang it. I'll wipe a little bit of that off. So now we are going to finish the white part, but I ain't gonna bore y'all with that. I'm just switch it up a little bit. Don't do what I did, okay? What I should have did first was do all the white, but now some of it done blended in together, and there's nothing I could do about that. So it won't be like as, I guess, crisp color that I wanted it. However, that is okay. It's not a big deal. As long as I get close to what it is that I need. What Bob Ross say? Happy little trees. I'm gonna do happy little face painting. My outline this top part a little bit. Put some black up here, and then we're gonna add some down here. We're about to freestyle this one now, all right? Because at this point, I'm not sure what's going on anymore. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing anymore, so you're just gonna have to freestyle this, okay? Bear with me. What color y'all want to use now? We can use silver or that purple. That purple stuff. Purple down here. And a little bit of silver running down, and some black, some silver up in here. Like we tearing up a little bit, but like silver tears because we bougie. I feel like I should take this silver out first. Where's me gold? I'm not even sure if the gold is gonna show up that well, to be honest. Nah, that's a lost cause, buddy. Let's try this blue. Just go keep trying stuff. So I'm gonna have to work out. Is it the Q-tips? No, it's not showing up at all. And that would look so good if it did. Okay. For some reason I still want to put this gold here, even though I know it ain't gonna work. Literally just freestyle. I had no idea what I'm about to do. Looks okay though. I really wish that I would have bought more paintbrushes. 0 points for me. One side, do the other side. Although, that's not what I intended originally to do. I suppose it can stay now and incorporate our mess ups into our art. Cause why not? So you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Not sure if it's gonna be the exact same. That was actually impromptu. And it ain't gotta be perfect either. They both ain't gotta be the same on both sides. Cause that's no fun. Here, we're going to make triangles. On this side. That's what it's looking like. But I feel like the purple isn't like showing up that well, so I'm gonna add black to it just to kind of like make it oh, there we go, just to make it pop a little bit. And go wrong with black. Or maybe you can. See, look at me messing up. But you know, good thing about this is it ain't gotta be perfect. We're gonna try this again one day though. We're gonna try some different techniques though, I know that. Use purple. Not sure how well this is going. I'm showing up okay. I don't even think I want to do my entire nose. I think I just want to do it just like this. Just this on the sides of it. There. On this part, I kind of want it to be a little bit more even. A little bit of purple down here. Ooh, okay. I feel like I need to add a little more black too. You don't always gotta use like a brush. You can just kind of use the tools that you have, and your tools can also be hands. My art teacher taught me when I was a kid. I messed the curd off. I don't like messing with my eyebrows. I mean, they naturally thin, so surround them too much and not have any left, and then not have like no facial expressions. Remember that episode in The Simpsons when Homer had to draw his facial expressions on? Y'all remember that? It's like when he got mad. I'm not even sure what this is. I don't even want to start messing it up. Look, I need to add a little bit of black right here though. Like, how do I know I'm done? How do I even know that I'm done? Add a little bit of purple in the inside. Ah! Oh, that hurt. Is that your way of telling me you're done? Like, what is this? But we're not done. I'm just have to take that like a G. Ain't nothing to me. I use some white. You know what? I'm gonna leave it just like this. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm completely done. I was gonna add some more, but like, nah. First time doing it, but I think it looks okay. I don't think it looks bad. I think I can do something a little bit different for the next time. Add a little bit this and that, but I only got what I got. I think I'm gonna have to find like a primer. That way the color can have something to sit on top of. And then I need some new brushes. I gotta find some different brushes because these cotton swabs, they're not working. Thanks for watching. If you have done this look before, let me know like what you've used, or if you like it, just let me know if you like it, you know, because why not? Let's be nice though, okay? Be nice. I'm gonna give it a solid 3. But I'm gonna give it A for effort, all right?